Viruses more likely to affect humans, like the flu and RSV, have been trending upwards in recent weeks.
WSFA 12 News reporter Monet Stevens has a look at the warning signs of a respiratory virus and how you can keep your family healthy.
Flu and RSV are spreading rapidly throughout Alabama.
We have had more ER visits and more diagnoses with RSV and influenza.
Dr. Bernstein Taylor with the Alabama Department of Public Health says all respiratory viruses mimic each other in the beginning stages.
Fever, cough, runny nose.
RSV is a highly contagious cough that can severely affect babies, younger children, and senior adults.
It's like having a bad cold. It's much more tenacious.
Montgomery resident Deborah Owen says she, her husband, and other family members tested positive for RSV just days apart.
The next day, my sister was diagnosed with RSV, and a few days later, my sister-in-law was diagnosed with RSV.
Owen says getting the RSV vaccine is how she and her family stayed out the hospital.
RSV frequently does become pneumonia in the elderly, which can be life-threatening.
She warns others to be mindful of their health during the holidays so their loved ones won't get sick.
We don't want to spread it. We learned a lot from COVID. I think we should use the lessons we've learned.
And while getting the vaccine cannot guarantee that you won't get the virus, it can reduce the severity of your symptoms, keeping you out the hospital. If you're showing viral symptoms like fever, vomiting, coughing, or a runny nose, Dr. Taylor says it's best to stay away from others, which that could mean postponing your holiday gatherings. Valerie.
Don't want to do it, but you might have to. Thanks a lot, Monet. Dr. Taylor also reported that the state has seen no increases in COVID cases so far.